Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know that we have started with the next unit, that is unit number 6, arts and music. So this was the unit that with which we have started in our last session, okay, and we have already done some of the topics from the unit number 6, and today again we are going to start with another topic of the same unit, that is art gallery. Okay, and the topic is art gallery, which is given at page number 76. Okay, so all of you kindly open your books at page number 76, that is art gallery. Okay, so I'm just writing the topic here, that is unit number 6, and the topic is art gallery. Gallery. This is art gallery, and this is given at page number 76. It is given at page number 76, art gallery. So first of all, what is the meaning of the topic art gallery? तो देखिए art is like something that which shows your creativity. So creativity in your dance जिसको बोलते हैं, in your painting, in your drawing, in your crafting. Okay, so this is all art. ओके, तो हम आर्ट क्या बोलते हैं, जो कोई इंसान किसी भी चीज़ को करने में बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब दैट पर्सन इज़ परफेक्ट इन डूइंग दैट सच थिंग, दैट इज़ नोन एज द आर्ट ऑफ दैट पर्सन. कुछ लोग होते हैं दे जस्ट मेक ब्यूटीफुल क्लोथ्स, जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं ड्रेस डिज़ाइनर्स या कॉस्ट्यूम डिज़ाइनर्स. सम आर वेरी ग्रेट पेंटर्स जो भी बहुत अच्छी अच्छी पेंटिंग्स बनाते हैं. सम आर ग्रेट इन ड्राइंग, ओके, सम आर ग्रेट इन डांस. सो दैट इज़ देयर आर्ट. So in this topic we will talk about the various artists, the painters all around the world. So we will discuss about the various artists and the painters of the world. Okay. So in this basically we are going to talk about the various famous paintings of the world and their artists and their painters. क्योंकि दुनिया में बहुत सारी बेटा ऐसी पेंटिंग्स हैं जो कि बहुत ही not only they are very costly and precious, they have a great unique story behind. There's a great unique story behind all those great paintings. Okay, so first of all we will talk about one of the very famous painter, that is Vincent van Gogh. That is Vincent van Gogh. Now let's see what is given about him. This self-portrait was painted by the famous Dutch painter Vincent van Gogh. The painting shows the great artist with a bandage on his ear. Van Gogh's paintings became popular only after his death. So now we are talking about the Vincent van Gogh. तो देखिए this is a self-portrait. Okay, तो artist का नाम क्या है? That is, the name of the painter is Vincent, V-I-N-C-E-N-T, Vincent van V-A-N-G Gogh. Okay, so the Vincent van Gogh के बारे में हम बात करें. So here we are talking about his self-portrait. Self-portrait means self-portrait, अपनी खुद की तस्वीर, अपनी खुद की तस्वीर. सेल्फ मीन्स खुद की पोर्ट्रेट, खुद की तस्वीर. ओके, तो विंसेंट वैन गॉग ने अपनी खुद की तस्वीर बनाई थी, पेंटिंग बनाई थी. ओके, एंड विंसेंट वैन गॉग, he was a Dutch painter. Okay, so he was from a Dutch country. So he was a Dutch painter. He was a Dutch painter. तो डच से बिलोंग करते थे. He was a Dutch painter. Okay. इसके अलावा वो ओके तो जो इनकी जो पेंटिंग है जिन्होंने सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट बनाया था, ओके सो इन दैट पोर्ट्रेट इट व्हाई इट इज़ सो यूनिक, ओके व्हाई इज़ इट सो पॉपुलर। सबसे पहले तो उनकी खुद की उन्होंने पोर्ट्रेट बनाया था। सेकंड थिंग, इसमें इन्होंने एक जो पोर्ट्रेट बनाया था इसमें इन्होंने अपनी तस्वीर में क्या दिखाया था बेटा, सो दैट ही इज़ वेयरिंग अ बैंडेज फ्रॉम हिज ईयर अप टू हिज लिप्स। सो ही इज़ वेयरिंग अ बैंडेज on his ear from here to this point because that is covering this part of his face. Okay, earlier this painting was not so famous, but उनकी डेथ के बाद उनकी मौत के बाद this painting became very popular all around the world. So you can see the picture in your book as well. So this is the self portrait of Vincent van Gogh and this is made by himself. ही हिमसेल्फ, इन्होंने खुद ने अपने, ये देखिए तो हेयर दिस वाइट पोर्शन, दिस वाइट पोर्शन इज अ बैंडेज दैट ही इज़ वेयरिंग ऑन हिज ईयर, अपने कान के ऊपर जो उन्होंने पहना हुआ। सो दिस इज द बैंडेज दैट ही इज़ वेयरिंग। ओके सो वैन गॉग्स पेंटिंग बिकेम पॉपुलर ओनली आफ्टर हिज डेथ, और ये पेंटिंग उनकी पॉपुलर कब हुई थी, उनकी डेथ के बाद, उनकी मौत के बाद। Okay, so Vincent van Gogh, he was a Dutch painter and he has a self-portrait which became very popular all around the world after his death. Okay, chaliye. Next is, the second is The Last Supper. Is a painting by Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, the painting shows a scene from the Last Supper Jesus Christ had with his disciples. Okay, देखिए लियोनार्डो दा विंसी, यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट सच ग्रेट पेंटर। लियोनार्डो दा विंसी के बारे में आपने सुना होगा। इनकी एक बहुत ही फेमस पेंटिंग है मोनालिसा, ओके, जिसको कि ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड बहुत ही इट्स अ वेरी पॉपुलर पेंटिंग ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड। तो उसके बारे में हमारी बुक में दिया है, दैट वी विल डिस्कस व्हेन इट विल कम। सो नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट अनदर फेमस पेंटिंग ऑफ लियोनार्डो दा विंसी, that is The Last Supper. Okay, so another famous painting by the Leonardo da Vinci is that is The Last Supper. Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci is a famous, he is a famous again. He is a very famous painter. And the name of his famous painting is The Last Supper. The Last Supper. S-U-P-P-E-R. That is The Last Supper. अब देखिए The Last Supper क्या है? The Last Supper is a painting by Leonardo da Vinci. The painting shows the scenes from the Last Supper Jesus Christ had with his disciples. तो इस पेंटिंग में जीसस क्राइस्ट की, ओके सो इस पेंटिंग में भगवान जीसस की, जो जीसस क्राइस्ट थे, उनकी जो लास्ट मील थी उनके शिष्यों के साथ। सो दिस पेंटिंग इज शोइंग द सीन ऑफ द लास्ट मील दैट जीसस क्राइस्ट हैड विद हिज डिसिपल्स, विद हिज पीपल्स, विद हिज शिष्य। ओके सो जो जीसस क्राइस्ट ने अपने शिष्यों के साथ जो लास्ट मील, जो लास्ट भोजन आप कह लीजिए किया था, this painting is showing about that. Okay, so you can see the painting as well. Okay, so here Jesus Christ is having the last meal with his disciples. Discipline नहीं बोलेंगे, you will pronounce it as disciples. So this is another famous painting by Leonardo da Vinci which is showing the last meal that Jesus Christ is having with his disciple and the name of the painting. इस painting का नाम क्या है? The name of the painting is The Last Supper. Okay, चलिए मूविंग नेक्स्ट टू द थर्ड पेंटिंग. ओके, तो देखिए मोस्टली जो पेंटिंग्स हैं आपको देखिए बेटा, ये मोस्टली दीज पेंटिंग्स आर केप्ट इन म्यूजियम. इन ज़्यादा इन पेंटिंग्स को दे ऑल आर केप्ट इन म्यूजियम. सर्टेन म्यूजियम, हर एक जगह अलग अलग म्यूजियम, जिस भी कंट्री की जो फेमस है उन्होंने अपनी म्यूजियम में रखी हुई है. एंड वी कांट बाय इट. देखिए जनरली पीपल कैन परचेज द पेंटिंग्स, बट these paintings, they have such unique great histories and these are being painted by the great painters. So that's why they have been kept in the museum so that people can go and see these paintings while in the museum. But we can't purchase these expensive, and not expensive, this कहते हैं ना बिल्कुल इसका कोई मोल ही नहीं, अमूल्य जो पेंटिंग है, यू कांट परचेज इट. चलिए, द नेक्स्ट इज, so now we are talking about another a very famous painter, that is Michelangelo. That is Michelangelo. Now who is Michelangelo? Let's see. The ceiling of the Sistine Chapel in the Vatican City has beautiful frescoes painting by the famous Italian painter and the sculptor Michelangelo. He had to lie on his back to paint the ceiling of the chapel. So now another famous painter we'll talk about, that is Michelangelo. So here I'm just writing his name, that is Michelangelo. Third is Michelangelo, M-I-C. Okay, his spelling is a little bit difficult, that is Michelangelo, M-I-C-H-E-L-A-N L-A-N-G-E-L-O. That is Michelangelo. So, who is Michelangelo and what is the famous painting? What is the name of the famous painting of that has been done by the Michelangelo? So, देखिए इनकी जो पेंटिंग था उसको कोई नाम नहीं था, but he has painted the ceiling of a Sistine Chapel in Vatican City. So you must have heard about the Vatican City. So Vatican City is the home of the Catholic Guru Pope. जो हमारे Catholic religion के जो गुरु हैं, सबसे बड़े गुरु हैं जिनका नाम है Pope. He resides in Vatican City, and that Vatican City is known as the smallest nation in the world. Vatican City को दुनिया का सबसे smallest, सबसे छोटा country बोला जाता है. Okay, because वहाँ के जितने भी सिस्टम है, it has its own unique systems of like whether it's a water supply, electric, anything. So everything they have there of their own. Okay, so that's why it is considered as the one of the self-independent smallest nation in the world. Okay, so the Michelangelo, he was an Italian painter. He was an Italian painter and sculptor. So he was an Italian painter. He was an Italian painter and sculptor. S-C-U-L-P-T-O-R. So he was an Italian painter and sculptor, and he has painted the ceilings or the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel. Okay, ceiling जो छत होती है, जहाँ पे सीलिंग फैन हमारा होता है. तो देखिए जनरली जो पेंटर्स होते हैं, they paint the walls, but this Michelangelo, he has painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel by laying on his back. अपनी पीठ पे लेट के उन्होंने पूरी की पूरी जो Sistine Chapel है उसकी पूरी की पूरी चर्च की he has painted the ceilings of the Sistine Chapel. Okay, and all those painting that he has made on the ceilings of the Sistine Chapel. Okay, so it is world known. Okay, so he has done the beautiful frescoes painting. Okay, so the name of the painting is frescoes that he has painted on the ceilings of the Sistine Chapel. He had to lie. So it is given about him that he had to lie on his back to paint the ceiling of the chapel. So while painting the ceiling of this Sistine Chapel, he has to lie on his back. ठीक है, जब वो Sistine Chapel की पूरी सीलिंग को पेंट कर रहे थे बेटा, तो देखिए ऑब्वियसली सीलिंग के लिए वो ये तो नहीं कि पहले ईंट पे करेंगे फिर इसको पेस्ट करेंगे. ऑब्वियसली ही हैज़ टू डू द पेंटिंग. ओके, उनको इस सीलिंग के ऊपर नीचे लेट के, तो वो पूरे अपने बैक पे लेट के उन्होंने पूरी की पूरी जो सीलिंग है Sistine Chapel की पेंट की थी. एंड इट्स अ क्वाइट वेरी बिग चैपल. ओके, so he has painted the ceilings of Sistine Chapel in the Vatican City, and the painting जो form of painting उन्होंने की है, that is known as frescoes. Okay, this is a kind of a painting or theme, जो भी theme होगा. So I'm not very well aware about the theme painting and all. So this is a frescoes painting that he has painted on the ceiling of Sistine Chapel in Vatican City. So he has, Michelangelo has painted the ceiling, ceiling of Sistine, S-I-S-T-I-N-E, Sistine Chapel, C-H-A-P-P-E-L. So Michelangelo has painted the ceiling uh, ceiling of Sistine Chapel in Vatican City. And Vatican City. Vatican City. So these are the three famous painters and their famous artwork. First is Vincent van Gogh. He has painted a self-portrait. Second is Leonardo da Vinci. He has painted the Last Supper painting. Third is Michelangelo. He has painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel in Vatican City, and he was an Italian painter and sculptor. Sculpture क्या होते हैं? जो मिट्टी से मूर्तियाँ बनाते हैं. They are known as the sculpture. Okay? चलिए, moving next to the fourth one. Now we are moving to the fourth painter or the fourth famous painting. Okay, the fourth is again. Okay, so now now we will talk about one of the very famous, the king or the god of the painting. You can say that is Picasso. So Picasso का आपने इस नाम सुना होगा बेटा. So Guernica is a painting by the Pablo Picasso, a very well-known artist of the 20th century. The painting shows the suffering caused by the war when a town was called Guernica in Spain was bombed. Okay, so now we are talking about a painting of Pablo Picasso. So he is one of the greatest. He is actually the greatest painter he is termed as one of the greatest painter of the world. दुनिया के सबसे greatest painter में से इनका नाम आता है. That is Pablo Picasso. Okay, so he has painted a very famous painting, that is Guernica. So the name of the painting is Guernica, and this Guernica painting, it is showing, okay, so this painting shows the suffering caused by war when a town called Guernica in Spain was bombed. तो स्पेन का एक टाउन था, एक शहर था जिसका नाम था Guernica. तो वहाँ पे जब बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हुआ था, okay, so the people, they have suffered a lot due to that bomb blast, and that painting, Guernica painting, shows the scene, the sufferings of the people, those who have suffered due to that bomb. Okay, so due to the bomb blast. Okay, so this is Pablo Picasso, and he is very well known artist of the 20th century, and the famous painting by him is Guernica. Okay, आपको पता है जो फेमस पेंटर्स होते हैं उनको Pablo Picasso की उपाधि भी दी जाती है. They are known as Pablo Picasso, like Ahmad Hussein. Okay, चलिए moving to the Pablo Picasso. तो देखिए Pablo Picasso कौन है? He is one of the greatest painter of 20th century, and he has painted a very great painting, that is Guernica, which shows the scenery of a town in the scene of suffering caused by the war. ठीक है, एक युद्ध के कारण जो Guernica शहर था, उसने जो युद्ध के कारण वहाँ पे बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हुआ था. ठीक है, युद्ध के कारण वहाँ पे कोई बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हुआ था जिसकी वजह से वहाँ के लोगों ने बहुत सफ़र किया था. सो दैट पेंटिंग शोज द पिक्चर ऑफ दैट. ओके, एंड दिस Guernica इज़ अ प्लेस इन स्पेन. तो स्पेन में एक शहर है जिसका नाम है Guernica. तो when there was a war, so those who are living in that Guernica city, they have faced so much problems due to that bomb. Okay, and this painting is showing the scenes of that sufferings of the people. So the name of the painter is Pablo Picasso. That is Pablo, P-A-B-L-O, Pablo Picasso, P-I-C-A-S-S-O. That is Pablo Picasso. The famous painting painted by him is Guernica. That is Guernica. Guernica. Okay, so that is Guernica. That is the name of the painting painted by Pablo Picasso. Next is, now again we will talk about another famous painter that we've already talked about, that is Leonardo da Vinci. So again we will talk about the Leonardo da Vinci. देखिए मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था. So when we were discussing about the Last Supper painting, so at that time I have told you that there was another very famous painting by Leonardo da Vinci. The name of the painting is Mona Lisa. Okay, so this is the world famous painting. Okay, and why is it so famous? Okay, so that I will tell you. First of all, let's read the paragraph. One of the most well-known paintings of the world is the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. It shows a woman with the mysterious expressions and smile. This painting won the artist great fame. Okay, so this painting is known as, the name of the painting is the Mona Lisa, and this is painted by Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, and why is it famous? Because of the women that he has painted in the painting. जिस women की उन्होंने painting बनाई है उस painting में, okay, because of her weird expressions with a smile. So when you will look at the painting of Mona Lisa, you will not be able to understand the expressions of Mona Lisa. अब Mona Lisa के expressions को you can't see it, you can't judge the expressions of Mona Lisa, because when sometimes you will feel like that it is smiling, sometimes you feel like that it's very sad. Okay, so that painting shows each and every expression. मतलब कुछ weird से expressions है, like कभी लगता है कि एकदम tension वाले expression का, कभी ध्यान से देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा smile कर रही है. Sometimes you will like that it is the painting is showing that the women in the painting is angry. So it has a quite weird expression that no one is able to understand it, what kind of expression that woman is giving in that painting. So that's why this painting has won millions of hearts all over the world. Okay, and it has been famous all over the world now. Okay, and this painting, okay, as it is famous all over the world, so it has also brought lots of fame to the painter Leonardo da Vinci. This is one of the famous painting of the world, that is Mona Lisa. So the name of the painter is Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci. The name of the painter is Leonardo da Vinci, and the name of the painting is Mona Lisa. The name of the painting is Mona Lisa. Okay. So Leonardo da Vinci has painted a painting, that is Mona Lisa, which has brought him so much name and fame all over the world. Moving next to the sixth one. The next painting we'll talk about is, okay, so first of all, the next painter we'll talk about, that is Maqbool Fida Hussain, who is known as M.F. Hussain. उनको M.F. Hussain को कहा जाता है, but his full name is Maqbool Fida Hussain. Okay, so who is he? So Maqbool Fida Hussain was one of the most famous Indian artists of the 20th century. He was also known as Picasso of India. The paintings of M.K. Gandhi and Mother Teresa are some of his famous artwork. So now we are talking about one of the famous painter of our country, that is M.F. Hussain. Okay, M.F. Hussain हमारे भारत के, इंडिया के एक बहुत ही फेमस पेंटर हैं. ओके, मकबूल फिदा हुसैन, जिनका पूरा नाम है M.F. हुसैन, उनका पूरा नाम है मकबूल फिदा हुसैन. सो ही इज़ नोन एज द पिकासो ऑफ इंडिया. इनको इंडिया का पिकासो बोला जाता है. सो ही इज़ नोन एज द पिकासो ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, सो ही इज़ बीइंग नोन एज द पिकासो ऑफ इंडिया, एंड ही इज़ वन ऑफ द वेरी फेमस पेंटर ऑफ द 20th सेंचुरी. तो 20वीं सदी के ये बहुत ही फेमस पेंटर हैं हमारे भारत के. Okay, and he is known as the Picasso of India because Picasso is one of the greatest painter in the world. Okay, and his such paintings, such famous paintings of M.F. Hussain, like M.K. Gandhi, जो हमारे मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी, जो फादर ऑफ नेशन, उनकी एक पेंटिंग, एंड मदर टेरेसा की पेंटिंग जो है. Okay, so these two paintings are one of the very famous artwork of M.F. Hussain. Okay, other than that, he is a great fan of Madhuri Dixit, so he has made a painting of Madhuri Dixit as well, which is quite very famous as well. Okay, so the next painter is M.F. Hussain or Maqbool Fida Hussain. That is Maqbool Fida Hussain. Maqbool Fida Hussain, and his famous artwork is of M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who is known as the father of our country, sorry, father of nation, okay, and Mother Teresa, M-O-T-H-E-R, that is Mother Teresa. So these are the two famous paintings of M.F. Hussain, Maqbool Fida Hussain. Moving next to the last painting, that is the Night Watch. So the Night Watch is a painting by the Rembrandt, a Dutch painter. It shows a group of soldiers led by a captain and his lieutenant. So now this is another painting we'll talk about. The name of the painting is the Night Watch. This painting का नाम क्या है? The Night Watch, and this is painted by one of the famous painter of Dutch. So he is also a Dutch painter, okay, and his name is Rembrandt. So Rembrandt has painted this famous painting, the Night Watch, in which this is showing the scenery of a group of soldiers led by the captain and lieutenant. So this painting shows the painting of a group of soldiers. यहाँ पे soldiers का एक पूरा group है जो कि अपने captain और अपने lieutenant के साथ, okay, so that are being led by the captain and the lieutenant, okay. So the name of the painter is Rembrandt, R-E-M-B-R-A-N-D, Rembrandt, and the name of the painting is the Night Watch. The name of the painting is the Night Watch. Okay, so with the painting is showing the scene in which a group of soldiers is led by their captain and the lieutenant. Okay, so these are the certain painters and they are from famous artwork. Now moving next to the quick quiz that is given below. So let's do it fast. So now we are moving to the quick quiz that is given on the book at page number 77. Okay, so this is quick quiz. So I'm just going to write the answers here. So the first is a drawing scribbled or scratched on a wall is called. Okay, so एक drawing जो कि scratch करके scribble करके wall के ऊपर दीवार के ऊपर की जाती है. So what we call that drawing? So we call it as graffiti. We call it as graffiti. So that is option number B. Graffiti. G-R-A-F-F-I-T-I. That is G-R-A-F-F-I-T-I. That is graffiti. Second one. Which of these artists is not a painter? So here the name of some people are given and you have to identify which of these artists is not a painter. The first is Amrita Shergill, second is Satish Gujral and third is Uday Shankar. So who among these three are not a painter? The answer is option number C, Uday Shankar. The answer is option number C, Uday Shankar. That is Uday Shankar. Moving next to the third one. The third is, where are cave paintings found in India? इंडिया में cave paintings कहाँ पे पाई जाती हैं? So there are famous cave paintings that are found in India is that is in Ajanta caves. Okay, so you can find famous this famous cave paintings in Ajanta. So the where are cave paintings found in India? The answer is Ajanta. That is option number A. That is Ajanta. A-J-A-N-T-A. Ajanta. Moving to the last one. The fourth is a mural is a. So mural is a type of a painting, whether it's a wall painting, painting on paper or painting on cloth. So mural is a type of painting that is done on wall. So mural is a wall painting. That is option number A. Mural is a wall painting. P-A-I-N-T-I-N-G. Mural is a wall painting. So these are the answers from the quick quiz. So you can pause the video and note it down in your books. Okay. So this was for my today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.